Hi children, I'm explaining now. See, December 2020 has will end on Thursday. So 1st January will start on Friday. See, I have written 1, 2. See, in this month we have 5 Sundays. This month has ended on 31st on Sunday. So February month will start again on Monday. See, you can see here. Wait. In February we have chosen green color, right? See, green. Monday. And this month we have 4 Sundays and February 28th ended on Sunday 28th. So March month will start again on Monday, right? See, March month. March month started on Monday, and I have written all the numbers, and this month has ended on Wednesday 31st. We have 4 Sundays on March month. I have written with red color, you can see. See, March after April. See, April month started again on Thursday. This month, April month, we have 4 Sundays, 4th, 11th, 18th, 25th. This month has ended on Friday, 30th. So, April after May. May month will start again on Saturday. You can see this. See, 30th, again Saturday on 1st. So, this month, May month, we have 5 Sundays. You can see, and this month has ended on 31st on Monday. So next May after June will start on Tuesday. Let us see. So June, you can see June month started Tuesday 1st. See, I have written all the days. June month has 30 days. In this month we have 4 Sundays. 6th, 13th, 28th, 27th. So this month has ended on Wednesday 30th. So next month July will start on Thursday. So you can see Thursday 1st. July month has 31 days and this month has 4 Sundays, 4th, 11th, 18th, 25th. So this month has ended on Saturday 31st. So July after August. August will start on Sunday. So you can see that also. See, August month has started on 1st Sunday. So this month also we have 5 Sundays. So this month has ended on 31st. So 31st to Tuesday. So August after September. September started on Wednesday. So 1st. And this month has ended on Thursday 30th. This month also we have 4 Sundays. So September after October. October has started on Friday. So this month ended on Thursday now. So Friday 1st. October 1st. See, you can see October. October 1st on Friday. So this month also we have 5 Sundays. We like Sundays now. So this month has 31 days. This month ended with Sunday. So October after November will start on Monday. So Monday is the 1st. November has 30 days. And this month has 4 Sundays. 17th, 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th. This month has ended on Tuesday. So December will start again Wednesday. So you can see Wednesday 1st. And 31 days. December has 31 days, right? and December has 5 Sundays, 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th. So I have completed 12 months. I have written. So let us see important days in each month. Important days each month. So we know some important days, right?